Have you ever seen this image gallery? And it is sweepable image gallery for React view, and you can use in any JavaScript application with fully customizable. And you can see here is our some demos, and we are in now SwiperJS, and you will find it by like Swiper React. So this is the official website, and we can see the documentation here, and how to use, and how to optimize, how to customize everything. You can find it on here. And if we see the demos, so Swiper demos, we are just clicking on it. So you can find a lot of demos in here, so we'll discuss later. Before that, I would like to show you that every weekly installation. So just look at this, the number of every weekly installation for this library. So it is very popular library for React.js for image gallery, and it is sweepable here, very customizable. So if we see the demo from the initial, so we need to go at the top of our. So here we have lot of demo. Like, how cool is that? It is all built in, and you can just install it, and you can use it like just single command you can install, and just 4 or 5 lines of code you can use it in your any JavaScript application. So you will find a lot of demo. You can check it out from here. Just look at this, how cool is that? It is built in, open source, and highly customizable. And here we have a lot of demo already built in. Just look at this, they are already built a lot of component for you. We can easily use it on our application. So you can check it out, every component in here. Just look at this, how cool is that? So before you use it, you will check the SwiperJS demos, and here they are providing a lot of demo that can used in your application. So if we would like to use it, then we are just using like this or this. We would like to use this, so we are just clicking React. Before that, we need to install it. That's why I'm opening VS Code. I have created a new React tab, and just I am installing Swiper. Okay, Swiper is installed in my Next.js project. So that for now I just run dev. I'm starting my project. So this is a chat application that I have created, but I don't need it. I'll create a new directory like slider/base.tss. Getting a new component named gallery, and we are just import this component in here. Just gallery. Okay, import. But for using Swiper, we need to make this component as a client component. And if we move to the slider, okay, it is displaying the gallery, and now we are gonna use this slide in our application. For that, just copy everything from here. I have already installed Swiper, that's why I don't need it. So everything is working fine. So Swiper is already installed. Okay, sorry for that. And maybe yes, I think everything will be worked fine. Now maybe still CSS is undefined. And you can customize that you want their Swiper provided a lot of optimization. And refresh. So we can use like another slider, like we can use this to create a new sandbox. So just creating. So you can see the demos from here, and you can use which demo you need to use in your component, and it is highly customizable. You can see the documentation of using it, and here you have a lot of component, lot of customization, navigation, pagination, and scroll bar. So you can test it out. So this is very powerful open source library, and they have a lot of sponsors. Slider for React app. So maybe component it here, effect cards, just using it. Effect cards we need to install it. Okay, but before that we can use some CSS. They are providing some CSS in here. So we're gonna just using everything from here and just paste in our global CSS. So you can create your custom CSS file, whatever you want. Just refresh. So maybe we need to give some class name. Fit my Swiper. Maybe everything is fine, but maybe we need to adjust some style, but I cannot found where. Oh, sorry. So I'm just copying everything from here and just paste it here, and we don't have the, so everything is okay. Okay, we need to give make this component as client component. Okay, just how cool is that? So I missed to give here this dot, that's why the problem was persist. And if I go to the previous version of my code, it will also work. Just look at this, how cool is that? You can easily customize everything. You can add like navigation, pagination, or auto sliding, and you need to read documentation for whatever you would like to use this image gallery in your application. So that was this video. Comment on the comment section what you want for next video. I'll try to cover this video in the next video.